So, Natalie, what is a typical day for you? For example, what is a typical morning?
Well, I wake up at about 7 a.m.
Oh, that's early.
Yes, I really am a morning person.
I think you are a morning person. I'm not a morning person at all.
Well, I don't actually get out of bed until about 7:30.
Okay, so what do you do?
Well, I play on my phone, I check my emails, I check Facebook, and I read the news.
Uh, and do you eat breakfast at home?
I usually prepare breakfast at home, yeah.
What do you eat?
Oh, just the simple stuff. Eggs, bacon, sausages. Sometimes I'll have toast.
Do you drink coffee or tea?
No, I don't like coffee or tea.
Oh, what do you drink?
Actually, I like hot chocolate in the morning.
Yeah, I like hot chocolate too. So, what about your day?
Well, I'm a teacher. I teach at a school. Lessons start at about 9 a.m. and we have lunch at noon.
How many classes do you have in the morning?
Each class lasts an hour, so I have 3 classes.
Do you eat lunch at school?
Yes, we have a huge canteen.
Ah, is the food good?
The food is great, and it's so much fun eating with the students, too.
Is the food cheap or expensive?
It's pretty cheap. I'd say maybe $3 for lunch.
Oh, that's really good.
Yeah, and for that, you get a lot of food.
What do you do in the afternoon?
In the afternoon, I have more lessons, usually taking me till about 4 p.m.
Oh, and do you have big classes?
Yes, so I teach English. That means I teach the whole year, so I have really big classes. We have about 200 students at the school.
That's a lot.
Yes, it is.
What about the evening? What do you do in the evening?
When I get home, I'm usually really tired. So I get changed into my pajamas and I watch TV for about 2 hours. After that, I'll maybe have some dinner, maybe get a pizza, and then read a book or play on my phone again.
What do you watch on TV?
I really like watching Korean drama.
Korean dramas are cool.
I know, the characters are so much fun.
Do you listen to K-pop?
A little bit, but I think it's a little bit boring. I prefer American pop.
Oh, so you like Korean dramas and American music.
That's right. I also like game shows.
Ah, what game shows?
Well, actually, my favorite one is Busted, and that's also Korean.
Okay, I need to see that. So, when do you go to bed?
Most nights I go to bed at around 10 p.m., but at the weekend, sometimes it's later, maybe around midnight.
Well, I think you have an interesting and long day.
That's right, I'm usually very tired.
Hello, Chantal.
Hello.
Let's play a game.
Okay,
Can you guess the famous person?
let's play.
Okay, person number one. She is American.
Okay,
She is a singer. She is young. She is about 25 years old. And now she is very famous. Her hair is blonde, and she's very cute and very pretty.
is it Taylor Swift?
Yes, correct. Ding, 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 ding.
Woo.
Okay, so the next person is also very famous. He is from Argentina. He is a soccer player. He is very good at sports, and he is on a team in Spain.
On a team in Spain.
Yeah, he is very good. He is a little short, but he is quick. He is very fast.
I don't watch soccer so much, but is it Cristiano Ronaldo?
No. Oh, it is Lionel Messi.
Ooh, I don't know
Oh no.
who he is.
Ronaldo is the rival of Lionel Messi.
I see.
Okay, so 1-1. All right, ready? Next one. This person is from Hong Kong. He is older. He is my age, about 50, maybe older. He is good at martial arts. He is in many movies.
Okay.
Oh, also he is funny. He is very funny.
Is it Jackie Chan?
Yes, correct. Ding, ding, ding. Okay, so now let's switch. You ask me.
Okay. This person is a woman. She is American. And she is a very famous singer in the United States and in the world. And she is married to a very famous rapper. Do you know who she is?
Is she Beyonce?
Yes,
Hey.
very good.
Bing, 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 bing.
She is Beyonce.
Oh, nice.
Okay, are you ready for the next person?
I'm ready.
Okay. He is a Jamaican and he runs really fast.
Okay. He is fast. He's from Jamaica.
And he is so fast, he joined the Olympics and won many times.
Is he a gold medal winner?
He is a gold medal winner.
Oh, I know.
Who is it?
It is Usain Bolt.
Correct.
Hey.
Ding, ding, ding.
Thanks, Chantel.
So, Todd, you live in Japan. Do you see your family often?
Yes, I see them often. I see them usually once a year, but I write to them often and I call them sometimes.
Okay. And when you see them, do you go to the United States to visit them, or do they come to Japan?
I go to America, and then everyone goes to my mom's house, and everybody meets me at my mom's house, which is nice. I see my sister, and we talk a lot, and it's good.
Does your mother miss you?
Yes, she misses me, and I miss her a lot, so it's very nice to see her. And also, I miss my dad, and I miss him a lot, so I'm always happy to see him.
Nice. And what about your sister? When you are in the United States, do you have some activities you like to do together?
Yeah, sometimes we do stuff together. Maybe I will meet her at a cafe, or I will go shopping with her. So we do something fun each time I go back.
Nice.
Also, when I go home, I see my best friend, and that's always nice. I usually meet him for dinner, and of course, I call him, and it's always nice to see my best friend. And how about your family?
Well, since I live in Japan, I also call them and write them, but usually we only Skype about once a month.
Ah. So, who do you Skype with the most? Your mom or your dad?
I Skype the most with my father because he wakes up very early. So his time and his schedule match my schedule. So it is easy for us to Skype.
Do you call him or does he call you?
I usually call him, but sometimes he calls me. Usually, if he calls me, it's because I haven't called in a long time.
Uh-oh.
Mm-hmm.
So sometimes you make him mad.
A little angry.
Right. That's nice.
But
And you have a brother too, right?
I do have a brother, and I call him less frequently because he is so busy with his job. So we speak about once or twice a month by messages or by phone.
Oh, that's nice. So, do you follow your family on social media?
Yes, I use Facebook.
Oh, I use it too.
It is a really easy way to keep in contact with them.
Yeah, I agree. What about other social media? Do you use Twitter?
No, I don't use Twitter, and I don't use other social media either. Only Facebook.
That's good, I think. Too much is too bad.
I agree. But I do love Facebook because I can speak with my brother and my mother and my father anytime.
So, with Facebook, do you check it every day?
I do check it every day. Maybe it's a bad habit, but I do like to check it every day. Do you check your Facebook every day?
Not every day. I check it maybe 3 times a week.
3 times a week?
Yeah, I don't use it much, and I don't use it on my phone.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Yeah, I like my free time.
Do you use other social media, such as Twitter or Instagram?
I do use Twitter, but I don't use it on my phone. I only use it on the computer.
Okay. What about Instagram?
Oh, I don't use it at all. Do you use it?
No, I don't use it.
Oh, that's right. You only use Facebook.
I only use Facebook.
Oh, interesting. Well, that's nice that we can talk to our family on Skype and Facebook because Japan is so far from America.
Yes, and I think they are very happy too.
Yeah, I think they are happy. Hey, Natalie, I like your outfit. It looks really cute.
Oh, hey Todd, thank you.
So that shirt looks expensive. Did it cost a lot?
Oh, this one? Yeah, it was about $50.
$50. That's a lot.
I know. It's an American brand.
Ah. Do they have that shirt in different colors?
Yes. So I actually have this top in 6 colors.
Really? What colors?
I have it in purple, blue, red, gray, white, and black. Actually, I have 2 black ones. So that's 7.
You have 2 shirts in black? Why?
Well, black is such a good color to wear. It matches everything.
Yeah, so true. So true. What about your pants? Those pants are pretty cool too.
Oh, these? Yeah, these were much cheaper than the tops. I bought these in San Francisco. They cost about $40.
Ooh, those are cheap. That's a good price.
It is, and I only have 1 pair of these.
And your shoes? Did you buy those shoes in San Francisco too?
No, I didn't buy these in San Francisco. These I bought online.
You bought them online.
Yes, These sandals are really hard to find, so I had to buy them through Amazon.
Oh, I like Amazon. I buy lots of things on Amazon. For example, I bought this watch on Amazon.
How much did it cost?
Well, this watch was really cheap. This watch only cost about $20.
Whoa.
But I have two watches. And I also bought a nice gold watch on Amazon. That watch was very expensive. It cost $200.
Whoa, $200 on a watch? I think my watch only cost, maybe $70, but I really like this watch. It's an Apple Watch. I bought it in Malaysia. I've had it for about 2 years now, but I think now that I have an Apple Watch, I'll always have Apple Watches.
Yeah, that is a nice watch. I want an Apple Watch too.
Yeah, they're so cool. I spend so much time on my phone, and the watch works really well with my phone. I definitely recommend it.
Yeah, I like this cheap watch because if it rains, or if I play sports, or if I am traveling, I can take my cheap watch because this watch is not important. I can break it, I can lose it, I can do anything. But my gold watch, that watch is expensive, so I keep it at home. I only wear it on nice occasions.
Oh, well, it's nice to have something a little more expensive, but my watch can tell me what the weather's like. My watch can tell me how many calories I've burnt, and my watch can tell me what the time is anywhere in the world.
You know, I think I need to get a watch like that.
This is the greatest watch.